Right, hey guys, it's been a fucking long time since I made a video. We've got a cat now. Well, I've actually recorded loads of videos, but I haven't actually edited any of them or uploaded them. Why? Well, get to that in a minute. But first things first, I just want to show you what's going on. So, we've got the bois over here, the exhaust is sideways because banter. It's all been taken apart, trying to figure out everything that's wrong with it. Inside the engine is brand new. It has only got 2,000 miles and you can tell when you open the engine. I promise you that. So I took the rocker cover off the other day, shiny as you like. Oil even looks fresh. But yeah, we figured out why the electric start doesn't work sometimes. There's melted wire inside. Figured out a lot of things on this one. That's not the main NRG. As much as it looks like it is, I'll show you the actual NRG in a minute. That is a different NRG. That's a new one, believe it or not. It's just, I've swapped a load of parts over because it makes the other one fresh. Then of course we've got the mini bike. You all know about that, it's got the brand new engine and everything. Took it out for a test ride, and DB did the wheel and ended up fucking the entire tyre. So, yeah. And let me just show you around the front real quick. And here is the Piaggio, with its black and gold wheels, white front panel, new clocks and everything. Runs a lot better, does 50 miles per hour now apparently, according to the speedo. It's got a front brake and everything now as well, but it needs new pads. Yeah, everything's been going well on this really. Still bogs at full throttle, but nowhere near as bad. Most of that's been fixed, but now, what I really need to show you, the most important thing going. Oh, you're gonna love this one. Bam! Hey, what is this, you guys ask? I'll tell you what this is. This is my YBR 125. What? It's got the weird old headlight. I got it for a bargain price. Can't really tell you that because it's very, very cheap. Yeah, it's pretty fucking mint to be fair. Bought it with a fucked up exhaust, so I've bodged one out of an old downpipe and the end can off the sim. The spark plug socket there, and basically the two pipes ended up being the same diameter. So I was like, how the fuck do I put the slip-on on? So I got a Black Widow exhaust adapter which fit inside this end can, and battered it inside there so it stays in there perfectly. Then slip the end can onto that, and it's not the best seal, but it works. It sounds amazing. Yamaha, all about them fucking bikes, bro. Oh, the reason it's got mismatching levers, it came with a fucked clutch lever. That's one my mate had spare. But yeah, this one's mint. We got all the keys and all that. Engine management light. All the dash lights and that work. All the lights in general work really. We got like no fuel. Got all them miles. 30,000. Not bad. One previous owner. Literally bought it brand new. Needed it. Yeah. Needs work doing to it, but not much at all. For the bargain price I got it for, nothing needs doing on it really. Like, after I spent all the money repairing it, getting MOT'd, taxed and everything, maybe even insured, it would still be cheaper than to buy one in this condition. It's a 2015 model, it's not bad. Didn't buy it with them scratches. I did that, trying to push it up around there, and I dropped it because it's me. But yeah, looking very good. Couldn't get that mirror out properly, and that cut the fuck out of me, so that's why that's like that. And yeah, also already cut the tail tidy and everything. Of course you got to do that, ain't you? And yeah, there it is over there. So that is what's going on. I have got loads of videos, we'll be uploading them, but I need to use a computer for that. So this is just a filler video really, just to let you know that shit's going good, man. Alright, safe everybody.